Hi guys, what you see here are saplings from one full tomato, which the seeds from one full tomato. Uh, Now I'm going to transfer them into my hydroponic system. There are many methods of planting. Today I'll be highlighting on four. The first one that you see is I'm using clay balls in the net pots. Actually, the advantage of clay balls is that it retains water for a longer period in time and keeps the plant hydrated for a longer time. So I've added the plant to clay balls in the net pot, and that's about it. This is the first form of soilless planting. The other thing is I'm using rock wool. Rock wool again absorbs a lot of water and keeps the plant hydrated for a longer period in time. And here I am using another plant, and that's it. And put this into the net pot. The roots will automatically take in the water with nutrients, and the rock wool will keep it hydrated all the time. The third one, as you can see, are the peat pellets. Earlier, if you remember, I had shown you a very thin piece which I had put in water. It is now expanded. It's become more than double, and in a little while it will become even thicker. I've added the plant in this also. Basically, these peat pellets have cocoa peat in them, and when water adds, they expand. Lastly, I'm using the potting mix. The potting mix is a combination of cocoa peat, vermicompost, cow dung, perlite, vermiculite, and a little bit of soil or sand, whatever it is. Basically, the perlite and vermiculites help in keeping the potting mix moist all the time. So this is the fourth method. So now we have four net pots with four tomato plants to be. I'm now going to transfer my four pots to my hydroponic stand. The first one was rock wool. The second is the clay balls. The third is with the peat pellet, and the fourth with a potting mix. Now, this is from where the nutrient is going to come in, travel through this length, and then drain out through this pipe. Similarly, nutrient would come in from the second inlet and same outlet, and third inlet and the same outlet. It goes into the nutrient tank, and the nutrient tank then takes